Right everyone, this is the latest shipment from Europe. Do some unboxing on them. Late. These boxes on the go.
Yeah, it looks nice, bird.
Big bird, mate.
Yeah.
Right, put these boxes so they don't get in your way.
That's it.
Come back, George.
Here, George, back on you. Back on you. Oh, he's nice, Mike.
Blue and silver he is.
Yeah,
Nice big bird, mate.
he is.
Lovely bird.
Chuck them out there at the back there, out the way.
It's a bit light this one, I think this is toast.
Yeah, he's nice.
He's a little coat, isn't he?
He is, yeah. Let's have a look at the end.
Little white end go with him.
Yeah, very nice.
Better in the morning, the old journey looks like that.
Yeah.
One set of coats. Black coat.
Very nice. Black end to match.
Lovely bird, mate.
He is very nice.
Rob.
Yeah.
Another white end to go that white set.
Yeah. I like him, Mike.
Bird, mate.
Very nice.
Even in there in the morning.
And more cows in there, I think.
Well, this one.
I believe so. Looks like it anyway.
Another coat stag.
Yeah. Yeah, I like him.
Wheaten hen.
Waiting in, yeah.
Little bird, mate.
Yeah, he is, yeah.
Wings on him. Put these ones in the bottom. It's a bit heavier.
Get him out, Mike. Look at him.
Oh,
Yes.
one bird, mate. He's a nice bird. Lace on his chest, I think. Look.
Yeah. Put him round, Mike. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Bird, mate.
Yeah.
Tell him.
Very nice. Very good condition.
Yeah, he was a very nice bird, wasn't he? He's in good condition. Good nick. It's one of them jackbirds.
Very nice.
Bird. Lovely bird, isn't he?
Like him.
Strong bird.
Yeah, very nice.
Jack. He's
tall and he's a lot leaner.
yeah.
What do you reckon the weight of him would be?
Oh, he'd be about 8 or 9.
Yeah.
Good head on him as well.
Yeah, very nice. Like him.
Still a few to go. Shamo ends.
Yeah, 2 in it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
2 nice wheaten ends.
Let's have a look, Mike. I'll get closer to them. Yeah,
Look at them.
beautiful one, isn't it? Yeah, really like her.
These.
I haven't seen the wheat and shamo ends before.
Yeah, no, I'll show you a video of the others.
Oh, it's a big bird. Nice.
Lovely bird, isn't he? Lovely, isn't he? So I was going for him, that.
You know what? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful bird, no. That.
Very nice.
I think he's the same way bred as that other one with the killer.
Yeah.
Very, very nice bird.
It's unusual colour, isn't he, like that?
Yeah. Yeah, they're not like cuckoos, are they? Not
No,
cuckoos, are they?
they're not, no.
These are yams.
Oh, yams, yeah.
Yamatos.
Oh, nice.
I like him.
Well coloured them, like.
Yeah. Colour in the match.
A good set, isn't they?
Oh, yeah, very good set.
Oh, it's laid egg in there as well.
Like them. Really nice.
Oh, I'm running out of space.
Need a light down there, or are you alright?
No. Put them down it. Good set. Very good set.
We've got 2 boxes left.
2 boxes left out. This will be more co-ends, might be. A couple more co-ends.
More Wheatons, isn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful ends.
Oh, she's a nice small size one, isn't she?
Yeah. Belgian tags on.
Yeah, they're good ones. Last box.
Oh yeah, thank you. Set of coats. Yeah, well, that's all the boxes done. Some real nice birds. You can't really see them tonight. In the morning I'll get some more videos and stuff of them. Yeah, and I'll show everybody some better videos of them in the morning. I'll put this up on the YouTube channel tonight, and I'll get some videos for game birds in the morning. Cheers everyone, we'll see you next time.